Hello guys, time now it's 10:28 in the evening. So again, I'm zoomed into the moon right now. It's a waning gibbous moon. It's a full moon na last night yata. Okay, so bilog na bilog pa rin yung buwan, no? I'm using my Sony a6400 mirrorless camera and the Andouer 450 to 800mm zoom lens. It's a manual zoom. Okay, so ibaba natin yung digital zoom para makita natin yung actual na kabilugan ng buwan. Ayan po. So bilog na bilog pa rin yung buwan natin. So yan, nakikita niyo yung actual diameter of the moon. It's a waning gibbous moon, 98% illuminated, meaning yung surface ng buwan ay 98% na ilawan. All areas, kita mo yung kanyang visible near side of the moon. Okay, so pawala na, no, yung ilaw niya, pabalik na siya sa new moon. Pero again, coming from full moon, waning gibbous moon na siya, it's 98% illumination. Balik natin dun sa laki ng buwan. Ayan. There. So as you can see, kita pa rin yung kanyang mga craters, no? Kahit na full moon, or rather well lit yung buwan. Ayan yung yung sa gitna, yung kanyang Tycho crater, yung pinakamalaking crater, prominent crater of the moon. Okay, ayan. So again, waning gibbous moon po ito. Taas na uli natin. Okay, maximum 4 times. So naka 800mm tayo. So 3200mm na to siya. Okay. Ayun yung Tycho, the most prominent crater visible. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yung naman ang napindot ko. Yung exposure. Anyway, baba natin ulit. So that's it for now, I guess. Ayan na ang ating waning gibbous moon coming from full moon. Okay, so that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.